Welcome to Learn English Quiz. Today we look at different uses of this little word, by. At the end, take a test. First of all, we use by for almost all forms of transportation to describe how we travel somewhere. By car, bus, train, taxi, plane, or boat. For example, I go to school by bus. They go to work by car. But we say on foot, on horseback. For example, she has to go there on foot. Also remember, if there is determiner before a noun, we use in or on. For example, I will go there on the morning train. She will travel in Peter's car. We also use by when we refer to a place. In this case, by means next to or close to. For example, she lives by the river. The post office is by a train station. Next very common use of by is to describing a method of communication. By mail, telephone, fax, or email. For example, I will send you a picture of my cat by email. We usually deliver by mail. We also use by when we refer to the method of payments. By credit card, check. For example, can I pay by credit card? I want to receive my payments by check. But remember that we say in cash. In informal English, we simply say cash. For example, I am paying in cash. Next very common use of by is to describing a meaning of a loan. With the use of by and reflective pronoun. By myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. For example, she lives by herself. I'll do it by myself. We use by to describe time, meaning no later than. For example, she is always in the office by 8 o'clock. You must be there by 11:30 a.m. Another use of by to describe time is meaning when, with an idiom by the time. For example, by the time you wake up, I'll be gone. I'll be an old woman by the time you finish this. We also use by to describe the meaning of during. By day, night, summer, and so on. Here are some examples. They live by night. She travels by night and only by night. Another way to use by is to describe how to do something. We do that by adding ing verb after by. For example, you can enter there by typing a correct password. They got in by breaking the window. We use by in the passive sentence to describe who did the action. For example, the book was written by Dante. This car was fixed by the mechanic. We use by before measurements, amounts, to describe increase and decrease in amounts, and when we talk about measurements. For example, the price of grocery has increased by 40%. My office is 10 by 14 feet. Another use of by before the noun to show how something has happened. By chance, by accident, by mistake. For example, I met her in Paris by accident. By mistake, I ate your lunch. We also use by before description. We do that to give information where one is from, what one does, or to describe people's characteristics. Here are some examples. She is kind by nature. He's a teacher by profession. Another way to use by to describe how we hold something. For example, she grabbed him by the arm. Can you hold it by its corner? Now your turn. They will travel to Italy. Plane. A, in. B, by. C, on. D, with. The correct answer is B. They will travel to Italy by plane. I drove. Your house. A, in. B, by. C, on. D, with. The correct answer is B. I drove by your house. We will travel. Your car. A, in. B, by. C, on. D, with. The correct answer is A. We will travel in your car. My parents are American. Birth. A, in. B, by. C, on. D, with. The correct answer is B. My parents are American by birth. The car passed close. Me. A, in. B, by. C, on. D, with. The correct answer is B. The car passed close by me. They broke this glass. A hammer. A, in. B, by. C, on. D, with. The correct answer is D. They broke this glass with a hammer. For divided. 2 equals 2. A, in. B, by. C, on. D, with. The correct answer is B. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Thank you for watching.